day.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.
This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com. Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the gold futures chart. Just before I start today's video, as always, anyone who's interested in joining my free analysis group over on Telegram, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screen. But let's start here by having a look at the gold futures. Gold currently trading at 1650. We had a very nice rally this morning, and that was because we had a brief decline in yields and the US dollar. But those moves have now paired those losses, and we're seeing the yields now trading in positive territory. Same here with the dollar, ever so slightly. And in response to that, we have seen the precious metals such as silver and gold now trading in the red. And what we've seen here is a typical technical movement. We were trading in this wedge, it seemed, and we broke below it, and we went to go and hit the next target, which of course was a swing low. We've hit that target, and now all we've done now is gone back up to that initial supportive area, testing it as the new resistant area, and now I expect for us to have that follow-through movement towards the downside. I do expect gold to be a fantastic buying opportunity in not so distant future from now. I think in maybe 2 to 3 months we will get a perfect buying opportunity, and that's when we really hear from the Fed that they are going to stop hiking interest rates and they start to become a lot more dovish. I feel like gold will really start to have its time once the Fed announces interest rate cuts, but we're not going to hear that probably for over a year. I'm not one of those investors that's expecting that to occur within the next 6 months. I'm just not there. I feel like the Fed is going to be hiking interest rates to that 4.5 to 4.8% mark, and they're going to be staying there for some time, perhaps 12 months. So I feel like gold will eventually have a very strong rally towards the upside, but until then, until we hear those words from Jerome Powell's lips that the Fed are going to cut interest rates or pivot, I feel like gold's going to continue to trade under pressure, and I would not be surprised here to see gold trade back down towards 1620 in the coming trading sessions. And as well as that, just to match this price movement, I've actually just announced over on my Nasdaq 100, S&P 500, and Dow Jones 30 video that I am fully anticipating for the stock market to decline over the next 2 weeks. My cycles and indicators have all ended today, and are now saying that for the next 2 weeks we are going to see some downward volatility, which makes a lot of sense, as we do have a lot of earnings. For example, this week 30% of the S&P 500 are reporting their earnings, and amongst them we have the likes of Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Apple, some very big tech giants which are going to have massive impact on the markets. And if we do see a decline, which I am anticipating due to the FX headwinds with regards to the US dollar being so strong, as all of us gold traders know, and then of course if we see any decline in the broad stock market, that will likely drag gold down along with it. So I would be short-term bearish here, trading down towards 1620 for the gold markets.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.